Welcome back. So I thought this video doing building the furniture and I didn't finish. I actually finished that day, but I didn't finish the room. I'm out of breath. I am almost 38 weeks pregnant and I'm just like, each day it's a battle for me. But today I am doing the room and I'm gonna take you guys with me. The room is a completely messy. I will show you guys, but hopefully by the end of this video I have everything ready and show you guys how we prepare our room to receive a baby girl that will be here, I hope, next week. So here is the situation. It's a mess. Everything is a mess. Show you guys. So here we go. This here is the beautiful piece I got from Ameriwood that we put together and looks so cute in here, guys. I am obsessed with that. So I'm gonna put a few books here. They have two. First, I'm gonna put my loose stuff and some of our stuff here.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so lonely.
So as I told you guys that we need a lot of stuff for the baby to put in this room. So I'm gonna use this tot, widow tot organizer here to put some wipes, diapers, lotion and other stuff. So I'm gonna leave this in here and here.
Everything, you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
So that's pretty much for my video, guys. This is the TV stand from Ameriwood. I'm so in love with that. I did take these iron things from there so I can have this basket, but you know, it looks pretty cool. This chair is taking a bunch of space in this room, but it's very necessary for breastfeeding. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. In here I still gonna do videos showing you guys how I'm organizing her stuff here for like diapers and wipes. I'm still gonna get a few decorations. I'm thinking to get something for this wall and here. Most of these things from Target. Here's my desk. Is another project that I'm thinking to do. I'm thinking to redo all this, so it's another video. Curtains. This is the other one. It's DJ's side. Got this basket here so he can put his stuff. Yeah, so this is I got a hobby lobby. Shadow's bed. And yeah, it's pretty much a big view. It was really bad and now it's very clean. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the links on my description box for all these furniture pieces. They are awesome. Enjoy!